Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable simplified controls in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, open settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then go to accessibility settings by either pressing 5 on your keyboard or by clicking here. Next, switch the toggle to the right next to Simplified Controls preset. To enable it and to confirm, select Use Simplified Keybinds. You cannot use this preset with the low motor restraint preset, so if you want to use it, still you have to disable Simplified Controls preset first. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.